Welcome to EMS for SOLIDWORKS Tips and Tricks. Today we will be looking at how do you plot in a logarithmic scale. Imagine that you have a magnetic flux density plot in a circular Halbach array. The circular Halbach array is just an example. It could be any model where you have a large variation in the magnetic flux density. If you notice, the flux density inside and close to the magnets are very high, and as you move away from the magnets, the flux density value also reduces drastically. So to be able to visualize these plots, it's not sufficient to plot them in a linear scale as we have done here, and that is the default plot in EMS. We can better appreciate the values of the magnetic flux density if we are able to plot the same plot in a logarithmic scale. Fortunately, EMS allows us to do that. To do that, you should go to the chart options tab of the plot and then go to the color options at the bottom. As you scroll down, you have two options. The linear scale is the default option. You can check the logarithmic scale and you can see automatically the plot giving you a more vivid picture of how the magnetic flux density changes as you move away from the magnet. Thank you for watching this video.